To compress a PDF file size. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily compress a PDF file size. So as you guys can see here, I have this PDF file on my desktop, so I'm just going to open it up. And it's nothing much, it just has a bunch of text. So I'm just going to check its size quickly. Go ahead and click on properties and it will show you its size. As you can see, it is not even a MB. So its size on the disk is 32 KB, which is not much. So what you want to do here is, if you want to reduce a size for your PDF, click on your browser and then simply search for compress PDF. So I'm just going to search for it and then hit enter. Now you'll see a bunch of results, but I recommend you use this ilovepdf.com because it's completely free, and then it won't even degrade the quality of your file. So click on select PDF files. Now I'm just going to go to my desktop and select the PDF file from here. So as you can see, this is the PDF file. So here are three options. If you want to compress is very much and want to decrease the size to a higher extent, then you can choose this extreme compression, but you have to know that it will degrade the quality as well. Now the recommended compression is the middle one, which is average, and if you just want to compress a little bit, you can choose this high quality less compression. Now click on compress PDF. Now it's ready for download. So as you can see, from 30 KB it has been reduced to 19.69 KB, which is 36% smaller. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.